So guys, my son's coming in town in a couple of days. He works for a company out of Tampa. It's a low voltage install / technical company where they work all over the country. The guy's name is Brian, very successful, great guy, by the way. And if he wants to leave me his info, I'll leave a link to his company in the comments or in the description. Anyway, so when he comes to visit, he's got a freaking Pelican case that's like 4 foot tall, 2 feet wide. The thing weighs like 90 to 100 pounds. Well, I know a lot of time he travels, and he travels by car. So he lives in Chicago. A lot of times if he's working in, say, Indiana, he'll just get in a car and drive over to Indiana, where he doesn't need that big Pelican case. All he needs is a smaller bag like this. So I got 2 bags here. I've got the Velocity BP50. Now, this is a little bit larger bag. They also make a BP45, which is smaller than this. But it is the backpack bag. And I also have the Veto Pro Pack Tech MCT Blackout here. So he can have either one he wants. Doesn't matter to me. He'll pick the one and we'll take the tools and put them in either one of these. Today I'm going to be doing the load in this bag only because I have not done the review on this BP50 yet. And I want to wait and do the review before you see the inside and everything I can put in there. So let's do that loadout now. He'll be here in a couple of days. Now, I am not a low voltage electrician or electrician. So if you see something I left out that you think he might need, please leave a comment in the comments and let me know. I sure would appreciate that. So let's get on with it. We're going to take this bag. We're going to load this bag in with my tools, top quality tools that I've got, and we'll get him set up. Let's go. I don't know, maybe a little over optimistic on if all these are going to fit in here, but we're going to see. I'm going to start out with this. This is the Olight Mini 2. There is a D-ring way up here. We'll put that in there. And this is one of those where as soon as you pull it off, the light comes on. You can look around in your bag, see what you need. It also is on this end here is USB-A charging. Very nice little light. So we got little 4 little neoprene pouches here. I'm just going to put some extra 2-inch bits in there. And I got a 4-inch bit we'll put right here. Just to have something up there, and everybody always needs extra bits. Now, let's look at these. I got a full 10-inch pair of Cobras. I think that'll fit here on the side. Yeah, that'll fit there. Nice. And then I've got Knipex Cobra and pliers wrench, both in 7 1/4. Let's see where they're going to go. I think those will go right here. Nice. I've got some Milwaukee wire strippers here. We'll put those here. I'm trying to get all the pliers on one side. So I got the Gador universal plier. Put that there. I got my favorite side cutter, the NWS. These are made in Germany also, along with the Gador is actually made in Austria. I got the Weha needle nose pliers. Put those here. I've got the, for low voltage, I thought maybe this little 6-inch pair of channel lock side cutters would come in handy. So I'm going to put that here. Now I've got these. These are the Fujia screw extraction pliers. As you can see, got that little screw extraction part here. It's also got a little side cutter on here. These are pretty awesome little pliers. I'm just going to stick them here. I also have some flush cutters. You always need flush cutters, especially low voltage when you're doing a lot of zip ties. These will cut them all flush. And we'll put that here also up front. And then I got a couple of these Bondas. These are USA made Allen keys. I got the metric and the SAE. I'm going to see if both of those will fit here. Yep, looks like they will. Fit nice. And then I've got this Milwaukee flip rail, and it is a SAE, where you could take this out and put it in your impact driver if you want to. Put that here. And right along with that, I've got these two. So these are SAE and metric nut drivers. It comes with this quarter inch. You can put that in your either the handle of any quarter inch hex handle, or you can put it right into your hex drive drill or impact drill. I'm going to put these. I'm going to put them right here. There we go. Perfect. Then I figure for, low voltage also, I got these little small, these are Stavilla, made in Germany, little flat pliers. I'm going to put that right here, right along with these other smaller pliers. Got a little snap-on pry bar here. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. You know what? Let's see. I think I'm going to put that pry bar right up here. Now, also, there's a zipper here. You can see that. I've got two more sets of bits here. So these are the 2-inch bits by Weha. And then I've also got a little 1-inch set that you can have with your, got a little magnetic nut driver here. And also, it will fit in this Klein Tools little small mini ratchet. So if I take out one of these, you could put it, of course, right here. You see how small that is if you have to, this basically takes the place of a stubby as far as I'm concerned. You got a thumb wheel here and also ratchets. And this side's 5/16, so if you got a 5/16 nut, it'll fit on this side. Awesome little tool. So let's put those in here. I'm going to put those in this front here. No, there's nothing in there. Okay. Put that here. This one will go on the side, and I'm also going to put this little ratchet in here with it. Perfect. Now you have another pocket here. It's pretty good size. And this holds, oh, okay. So what this is, you can adjust this, click it on this same D-ring that this light's on, you can adjust it out. It'll keep this top from flopping over. I guess if you got a very heavy, a lot of heavy stuff in here, you need that. Now, let's look. I have this light. Let's see if it, no, it won't fit in here. It's probably going to have to go. Maybe this level. Yeah, this level will. So this, I think, has fit. This is the Empire 9-inch billet level, billet aluminum. Fits nice in there. Perfect. I got some screwdrivers here. I may want to try to put those on the other side. We'll see. So I've got the number 2 Phillips Vera screwdriver, and it's the one that's got those little, if you can see those little laser etchings that really hold on to the screw. And then I've got the now this is the flat. I think it's 1/4 inch from Vera. It's got the full tang with a striking plate on it. So you can use this as a beater if you want to chisel stuff out. Let's see, I'm going to put one of them here and one of them down here. And that, I think that will, well, let's see. Yeah, I think that will pretty much fill up this side. Also, I've got another one. I might be able to fit this one in here. This is the Veto. Now, I had a problem with one of these breaking off. They sent me a replacement handle. This is a replacement handle. As far as I'm concerned, it's not a very industrial tool, but I'll tell you what I do like about it are all the bits. It's a 27 piece here, right? And it goes anywhere from T7 to T30 over here. So, I mean, just a full array of bits. And it is locking. You pull this handle down and the bit will lock in there. All of these, by the way, are double-sided bits. Let's see if we can't fit it in here. Yeah, it goes in. That thing is full. Okay, let's zip it up. Let's go to the other side. Okay, here's the other side. Basically the same, but you do have these 2 larger neoprene pouches here, which are going to come in handy, and I'll show you why. And also you got the same 2 pockets here. All right, this is a good place. Now, I got this cobalt light, and I tell you why I bought the cobalt light. I bought it because it's not USB-C rechargeable. And it just takes 3 AA batteries, because you're always, whenever it runs out, it's never the best moment. You always need light. So what I did was I bought these, and I bought these little case here to hold 3 AA batteries. If they ever go out, you can easily replace these. And this thing is very cool. You know, it's magnetic on the bottom. It's got a handle on top where you can hang it. And if you're ever in a place you need light, you can just sit it down and angle it wherever you want to. So I'm going to put that one. I think it may go here on the side. Let's look. Yeah, it'll go good right there. Tucked in. We'll put the batteries away here in a little bit. I have a little meter here for him. Now this is this is a basic meter. It's a CL120. It's got the leads here on top. And I've also got it set up with a magnet where you can just click it to whatever cabinet you're working on. I'm going to put that right here. Here we go. That'll go up front. Now I've got the Klein tools, and I may take them out of this pouch, but let me show you what they are. This is the Klein tools, interchangeable. So you got 5 blades here with this handle. So these are the insulated. How this works is you just stick it in, it locks in. When you get ready to take it out, you hold this black ring and twist the handle, it just pops out. Very nice. So there's 5 of these. I don't know if I can fit them. Let me see. I may be able to. I mean, I could fit it in here, but I've still got some other stuff I need to put in here. No, they're not going to fit. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these out. Okay, so these 5 blades, I'm just going to fit right here. And the handle, you know what I think I'll do? I think I'll take out one of these. Yeah, I'm going to take out the number 2. The handle could fit right here. So you got 4 extra blades there. Now I've got this Klein Tools knife. You know what? I think I can't put it here. There is some webbing here where I could put it. But I think I'm going to put it in this. I'm going to put it in this pouch right here, this bag. I also have got a 6-inch Milwaukee crescent wrench. I'll just put it right here. And then I've got this roll here. Now, looking at it now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit this in here. This is the Vera precision screwdriver set that I was going to give him. But I also have coming, and I ordered the Klein 27-in-1 precision screwdriver. And that'll fit very easily in here. I'm just going to do that instead of trying to stuff this thing in here. All right, I got a few more things here. One of them is this Stabila little small level. And it's got a magnet on the side and on the bottom. It's got a groove here for pipe. Very nice little level. Now, this would be good for setting electrical boxes, you know, different type of boxes like that. So I'm just going to put it right here, up here. And now I've got, let's see, I got my knife. The only other thing I've got, now I've got this tape measure. I'm trying to keep from putting anything on the outside. We'll see where this tape measure can go. But now I've got, this is the Milwaukee 3450 subcompact. Very small and compact. You see the size of it here? This thing is perfect for travel bags like this. It's got this little holder here. He may take it off. I don't know. But I'm going to try to put it. I think I can just put it. Yeah, it goes perfect. Goes perfect right there. So, I mean, that's a pretty good loadout. Now, the only other thing I've got the spare batteries. And I got this small little set of 1/4-inch shank drill bits. They call these stubbies, and I think they will go great with this 3450 here. But I think, what am I going to do? You know what? I think I'm just going to put them right here where you can see them in this pouch. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. I got this extra set of batteries here that I think would go good here. Yeah, batteries on this outside pocket. Okay, guys, so that's the loadout. Let's take a look at it again. Here it is, completely fitted out for low voltage electrical. On this side, you got all of your pliers and your screwdrivers. And over here on this side, you got your meter, you got your M12 subcompact, you got your light. And what I forgot to show you was this. This is the Tough Belt folding jab saw for cut-in boxes and things like that in drywall. It's just going right here in the corner. Okay, that's it, guys. So that is the MCT Blackout, loaded out, ready for low voltage installation. See you next week.